Looking for a keyboard that can keep up with both your intense gaming sessions and demanding office work? This compact mechanical keyboard delivers on both fronts, offering precise keystrokes and a satisfying typing experience that reduces errors and typos. With 87 keys packed into a space-saving design, it frees up your desk without compromising comfort or performance. What sets this keyboard apart is its thoughtful construction. It features aircraft-grade aluminum and ABS materials, double-shot injection molded keycaps, and high-end mechanical switches with ultra-durable springs. The result? A keyboard built to last through marathon gaming or long workdays. Plus, its spill-resistant design and removable keycaps make cleaning easy, so you can keep your setup looking fresh and personalized. Lighting matters when you're working late or gaming in the dark. This keyboard offers multiple LED backlight modes across all 87 keys, with crisp, bright illumination that's easy on the eyes. While you can't pick a single color for all keys, the customizable lighting effects add a unique vibe to your workspace. Adjustable rear feet ensure an ergonomic typing angle, and the gold-plated USB connector guarantees a stable, corrosion-free connection every time. Users appreciate the keyboard's retro mechanical feel, reminiscent of classic 80s terminals, with a satisfying key height and positive feedback. Though it lacks a number pad, many find the compact layout ideal for saving desk space without losing the feel of a full-size keyboard. The illumination is excellent for low-light environments, making it a reliable choice for both gamers and professionals who need precision and style. If you're ready to upgrade your workspace with a keyboard that blends durability, comfort, and style, this compact mechanical keyboard is worth a look. It's designed to enhance your productivity and gaming performance without taking up extra room. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference a well-built keyboard can make.